What if your clients could keep the work going in between sessions every single day? My name is Melissa Seil Butler, and I'm a meditation teacher, I'm a hypnotist, and I'm the owner of Zen Life Center for Healing in Queen Creek, Arizona. And I will be teaching at the 2026 National Guild of Hypnotists Conference this summer. I've spent years guiding clients through a deeper state of healing, and the single thing that made the biggest impact didn't cost me any additional money in training. It was meditation. Teaching my clients to meditate had the biggest impact on helping them bridge their work that they did in session into their everyday lives. Meditation doesn't just add to the session, it multiplies it. In my class, I will teach you simple and practical tools on how to guide your clients through the meditation process so that the work that you're doing in session doesn't just land, it sticks. If you want clients who are genuinely transformed instead of just relieved, I'd love to see you in my class.